Welcome to Babonga's channel, continuing the soft body doll from my previous video. This elastic fabric will make the body. I'm using the simplest of patterns because I'm no way an expert in cutting and sewing. I keep the pieces inner side out and I'm going to sew, leaving 5 needed openings. Now it's all done and I left an opening for the neck, the 2 hands and the 2 legs. Before connecting the head and limbs, I have to prepare, that is to pierce the plastic bottlenecks. So I'm going to use a hot needle to go through the plastic and create tiny holes around every bottleneck, like this and this. I will attach the head first, so I have to pass it through the neck hole. What I'm gonna do is align the series of tiny holes around the plastic bottleneck to the rim of the fabric, and then I only have to sew using these holes and going through the plastic, connecting the plastic and the fabric. I'm gonna go 2 times around this to make it more strong and secure. And because I know next to nothing about sewing, I'm taking my time with this. Now, I'm gonna release the head and bring it out again. So I'm cutting like this to free the head from inside the body. Turning the fabric also just to check if it looks okay. Now again, I'm turning the fabric inside out in order to continue attaching the hands and legs. I'm starting with the hand. It has to be placed like this inside the opening, so it will come out the right way when the fabric is turned. Again, I will connect with needle and thread and do the other 3 limbs also. Now, before start filling the doll, I have to take care of these transparent spots. I'm using colorful fabric to hide them, like this, and I'm gonna use another type of fabric for the boots, like this. These transparent places can be hidden in many ways. I could glue the fabric over, or maybe I could fill the doll with colorful fabric, but not this time. Instead, I will stuff the doll with this, and now that I'm done, I'm just gonna close the opening again with needle and thread. And this was how this doll, which is far from done because she needs her hair and clothes, got her soft body.